English Anyone, Lesson 16, Past, Present, and Future Continuous. Hey there, I'm Drew. What's your name? Today, I'm happy. Yesterday, I was tired. How are you today? I speak English. I have a gray sweatshirt. Listen and watch. Climb, climbing. Hop, hopping. Past continuous. I was not, verb ing. You were not, verb ing. He, she, it was not, verb ing. We, they were not, verb ing. What was he doing yesterday? Was he shaving? No, he wasn't. Was he feeding monkeys? Yes, he was. What was he throwing? Was he throwing spoons? No, he wasn't. He was throwing food. Were the monkeys eating the food? Yes, they were. Was he picking up the monkeys? No, he wasn't. He wasn't picking the monkeys up. What was this man doing? He was sweeping. Was he running? No, he wasn't. Were the monkeys eating? Yes, they were. Were the monkeys watching TV? No, they weren't. Present continuous. I am not, verb ing. You are not, verb ing. He, she, it is not, verb ing. We, they are not, verb ing. What is she doing today? Today she is cleaning. Is she rolling the carpet? Yes, she is. Is she watering a plant? No, she isn't. What is she doing now? She is wiping the floor. Is she riding a bike? No, she isn't. What's she doing now? Is she washing her hands? Nope, she's wiping the window. She's cleaning the window. What's she doing now? She's sitting, isn't she? No, she isn't. She's dusting the windowsill. Future continuous. I, you, he, she, it, we, they will not be, verb ing. I am not going to be, verb ing. You are not going to be, verb ing. He, she, it is not going to be, verb ing. We, they are not going to be, verb ing. Tomorrow I'm going to be yawning. Will I be going to bed? Yes, I will. Am I going to be fluffing my pillow? Yes, I will. Will I be getting under my blanket? Yes, I will. Will I be reading? No, I won't be reading. I'll be going to sleep. Continuous tense verb rules. 1. Verb plus ing. Talk, talking. 2. Silent last letter E plus ing. Have, having. 3. Voiced last letter E plus ing. Be, being. 4. Verb ending in IE plus Y. Die, dying. 5. One-syllable words. Short vowel plus consonant plus double consonant plus ing. Drop, dropping. Not W or X. Wax, waxing. 6. For multiple syllable verbs with the final syllable stressed. Short vowel plus consonant plus double consonant plus ing. Begin, beginning. 7. For multiple syllable verbs with the final syllable not stressed. Short vowel plus consonant plus ing. Listen, listening. Listen and watch. Tomorrow I'll be going to Nijo Castle. I'm going to be taking the elevator. It's going to be cold and windy. People will be wearing coats. Nijo Castle has moats, bridges, and beautiful gardens. The scenery will be breathtaking. The leaves will be changing colors. A water wheel will be spinning. And in a tranquil pond, I will be seeing a beautiful waterfall. Ducks will be floating on the water. And fish will be swimming in it. People are going to be taking pictures. I'll see ornate carvings. A boy will be pushing his stroller. People are going to be buying gifts. Are people going to be taking pictures? Yes, they will. Am I going to be seeing monkeys? No, I'm going to be seeing fish. Yesterday, I went to Nijo Castle. I was taking the elevator. It was cold and windy. People were wearing coats. Nijo Castle has moats, bridges, and beautiful gardens. The scenery was breathtaking. The leaves were changing colors. A water wheel was spinning. And in a tranquil pond, I saw a beautiful waterfall. Ducks were floating on the water, and fish were swimming in it. People were taking pictures. I saw intricate carvings. A boy was pushing his stroller. People were buying gifts. Were people taking pictures? Yes, they were. Was I taking a ropeway? No, I wasn't. I was taking an elevator. Goodbye. To learn more about our monthly Master English Conversation audio and video lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free newsletter and email video course for students, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.